Alabama, with its vicious races, with its governor having his...
It's what happened when I think about you.
Welcome back. It's Queen Chelsea, and today we're going to be unboxing the Winchester SXP Defender Pump-Action 12-gauge shotgun. Hopping right in, this is what you see as soon as you open the box. I absolutely love the color. It looks amazing. The gun came partially assembled with a lock and adapter plug, so all I had to do was attach the barrel, which was super simple. This is me twisting off the magazine cap to add the barrel. It's that simple. It fits perfectly, and the whole process is super straightforward.
Y'all need that new Billy truck. They just mad they wanna be us.
That's an easy assembly straight out the box, but let's break this thing down. First and foremost, safety first. Always make sure the firearm is unloaded. Put the gun on safety with the safety button and then start to remove the barrel.
When I'm in my Rolls Royce, I take them 2 lanes. They be like, boy, that's how you feel. I be like, yeah. Hey, DJ, turn it, the bed is that. Hey, up there, I'm on my way up. Hey, up there, I'm on my way up.
Once that's done, you'll need to take out the pin. I used a screw and a hammer for this step.
Hit that lemon, then I blew up. I've been on my job too long. Damn right, I know what I do wrong. Ain't no way that I'm gonna change up.
After the pin is out, we'll remove the trigger. Then pull out the forearms. And finally, we'll remove the bolts and the firing pin. It's pretty straightforward, but be careful with the firing pin so you don't lose your spring. Now that we have all the parts disassembled, let's go ahead and put everything back together step by step. Here we have the firing pin and spring. You want to assemble these 2 pieces and put them in the bolts. About a ½ inch down the pin, there's a little space that we need to pay attention to because that's what helps connect the slide arms. Here you can see me connecting the piece that's sticking out on the slide arm to the pin to connect everything together. Now we're going to attach it back to the magazine tube. If you didn't have it on safety and you pulled the trigger and this piece is up, it's going to give you a hard time. So you want to make sure it's down, keep the safety on so it doesn't come back up, and then you'll be able to put it in with no problem. And you want to put your pin back in. I started out on this side, but I felt like I was forcing it, so I flipped it over and tried to do it on the other side, and it went in much smoother. And lastly, just like we did straight out the box, we're going to put the barrel back on.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the tea on me, I swear they nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on it, said my niggas owe me. I gotta be.
And that's a wrap on the Winchester SXP Defender Pump-Action 12-gauge shotgun unboxing, assembly, disassembly, and reassembly all covered. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really looking forward to taking it out to the range. Maybe that can be another video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.